my name is Sonali. Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'll be discussing with you some signs of an unhealthy body. So our body has ways of giving us signals to let us know something is wrong with it. Today I'm going to help you explore what are those signs. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to my channel as बहुत मेहनत लगती है वीडियोस बनाने में. So do support me and do subscribe to my channel and do share this channel with your friends and family. So before I start this video, I just wanted to let you know that there is a difference between unhealthy body and overweight body. If you are overweight and you are eating right and you are exercising, eventually you will lose weight. But if you are unhealthy and you are eating all kinds of junk and you think that you are in right shape and you are still eating junk, so that is not good for your body. So you need to change your lifestyle for that. So the first sign of an unhealthy body is that it starts showing on your skin. You can start see your skin tearing apart. You will feel your skin to be very dry and the quality of the skin will be very bad. You can see acne on your skin, pimples on your skin. You should start having vitamin A, vitamin C, zinc, potassium and all kinds of different minerals in your diet. The quality of your skin determines the quality of your health. You need to have a proper diet. Also, the main thing that you will see is darkening around your eyes. So that is also really bad for your skin and you should start focusing on your health. Next sign is sleep issues. If you are not able to sleep properly at night, be it because of caffeine intake or be it because of stress or something, if you are facing sleep issues, that is definitely a sign of an unhealthy body. Maybe you haven't used excess energy or something, but if you are not able to sleep at night, that is definitely a sign of an unhealthy body. And for proper sleep, you also need to intake iron, calcium, magnesium, zinc in your diet and your sleep issues will be sorted. Next sign of an unhealthy body is chapped lips. If you have chapped lips 24/7 all around the day, that means that you have deficiency in zinc and iron. If you are non-vegetarian, you can have meat or you can have eggs. But if you are a vegetarian, you can include nuts in your diet, dairy products. And if you have a deficiency in iron, you can include legumes in your diet or baked potatoes, cashews in your diet, and spinach is also a great source of iron. So if you have issues of chapped lips, you should start intaking all these things in your diet and your issues will be resolved. Do your knees pop or your neck makes a cracking sound? Tuck, tuck. That is a sign of a calcium deficiency in your body and you should start intaking either calcium tablets or you should start intaking the products that are rich in calcium so that your joints don't crack up, which is basically a sign of an unhealthy body. Next sign of an unhealthy body is bad nails. Do you see peeling in your nails or do you see yellow colored nails? So that is basically a sign of an unhealthy body. And to reduce this, you need to start intaking gut-friendly bacteria, which you can get from curd. Start intaking that in your diet because the quality of your nails also explain a lot about your health. And bad nails is basically an indication of an unhealthy body. Next sign of an unhealthy body is constant itchiness. Do you feel itchiness mostly all around the day? This is because you might have some skin allergies or your liver might be in trouble. You should definitely go check out a doctor and see what he recommends. Next sign of an unhealthy body is premature graying of your hair. This sign is very common in the youth these days. This is not totally genetic. This might be due to some deficiencies as well, or this might also be due to thyroid disorder. So I recommend you to go consult it with a doctor before it's too late. Next sign of an unhealthy body is bad breath. This may or may not be a sign of bad oral hygiene. This can also be a sign of a deficiency in vitamin B12. So what happens is that the enzymes in your blood decrease, leading your body to produce less blood cells, which cause bad breath. Can also be gingivitis, which is basically a gum disease and which can lead to tooth decay. So if you have bad breath, either start maintaining oral hygiene if you are not maintaining it right now, or do get yourself checked if you feel like you are maintaining oral hygiene and still nothing is working out for you. Do get yourself checked. Next sign of an unhealthy body is yellowing eyes. If the color of your eyes is yellow, or you feel like you have jaundice but really you don't have that, that actually means again that you have a deficiency in B12 vitamin, or it could also mean that there is some problem with your red blood cells or your liver. Do you always feel tired? Yes, that is also a sign of an unhealthy body. If you feel tired throughout the day, even after you wake up, as soon as you wake up you feel tired, that means that this is the sign of your body stating that it is unhealthy and that it is not getting proper nutrients like vitamin D, vitamin B12, iron, magnesium, zinc. So you should start intaking proper nutrients for your body to make it feel better. Are you someone who catches cold and flu easily? Before anybody else, you are the first person who catches cold and flu. So basically your immune system is not in the correct shape, which means that your body is unhealthy, and to make your immune system better you should start intaking vitamin A, vitamin C, vitamin E, zinc, magnesium, iron to make your immune system feel better, because if your immune is better you will not catch cold or flu and basically be protected from all kind of viruses, which will make your body feel much better. So start intaking good amount of nutrients in your diet. So that is all for today guys. I hope you guys liked the video. I just picked out the most important signs according to me. So if you feel like there are other important signs as well, do let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for supporting me. We are going to be a family of 300 people very soon. Thank you so much to everyone. I love you all. Thank you for supporting me. It means a lot to me, and be prepared for much amazing content coming your way. I love you all. Do subscribe to my channel. Bye.